That was a success if you ask me. Had some hot rounds though, I'll tell you that much. But nothing they couldn't handle. Ate everything out of that mag like a champ. Maybe that one light primer strike, that was it. So once she get warmed up, she's ready to run. It's like when you first start the game off and coach sits you down after that first time out and put you back in after that second one. Oh, you ready to ball then? Should have started with your head in the game. Let's get to it though.